Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with yet another exciting campus update for you all. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet. And also do not forget to click on the bell icon to get notified instantly. Yes, so dear freshers, we are glad to inform you that Wipro, the leading IT MNC, has announced their 2022 batch hiring and we are here to give you the details about the same. So before going ahead and discussing about 2022 batch campus hiring of Wipro, we will quickly give you an overview about us. So Profound EduTech, we are basically a top IT training and placement company. We provide various job-oriented training courses in full stack Java, .NET, testing, data science, Python, etc. Along with quality trainings, we are well known for strong placement also, as we have placed more than 6,000 students in various IT companies till date. We start new batches almost every week, and that too in both online as well as offline mode. So to get more details about our courses, about our batches, you are requested to call on the mentioned numbers. This is the partial list of the clients which recruit freshers from us, right from Atos, Amdocs, Capgemini, Zensar, Syntel, Deloitte, ADP, Tech Mahindra. They all have been recruiting our freshers. And apart from these big names, we have several other companies, MNCs, as well as domestic companies. Yes, now let us discuss about 2022 batch campus hiring of Wipro. Wipro, as you all know, it doesn't need any special introduction. They are a leading global IT consulting and business process service company. They are Fortune India 500 and ranks 29th largest Indian company by total revenue. It is also ranked 9th largest employer in India with almost 2 lakh employees. So to get more details about Wipro, you are requested to visit their website, which is www.wipro.com. As far as eligibility is concerned, 2022 batch of BE, BTech, ME, MTech are eligible to apply for this campus. The best part is almost all the engineering branches are eligible, right from computer, IT to electronics, ENTC, electrical, all the circuit branches, mechanical, instrumentation, they all are eligible. So only except fashion technology, food technology, and textile, all other branches are eligible to apply for this drive. As far as year gaps is concerned, maximum of 3 years gap is allowed between 10th to your highest qualification, and only one back is allowed during your assessment process. When you clear the assessment and at the time of joining, you are expected to clear the backlog. So the post they are offering is project engineer and the salary is rupees 3.5 lakhs per annum. There is a service agreement of 12 months only, and the online test is likely to be in between 20th September to 27th September 2021. So just in a month's time. So as far as the first round is concerned of the online test, this is the pattern. There are three sections. The first is aptitude test of 48 minutes. The questions are based on logical ability, quantitative ability, and verbal ability. Then there is a section on your written communication, which is of 20 minutes based on essay writing. And yes, also your technical knowledge is also going to be tested. There is a coding test of 60 minutes. You need to code two programs in any one of the technologies or languages like Java, C, or C++ or Python. So to get more details about this campus and to apply for it, you are requested to visit this URL www.bit.ly/vipro2022. We repeat, it's bit.ly/vipro2022. Please note that the URL is case sensitive, so ensure that you enter the correct URL in the address bar of your browser. So hurry up and apply now. The last date to apply is 15th September 2021. So thank you so much, dear freshers, for watching this video. We hope that you are finding all our videos very useful for you. Do not forget to follow us on all the social platforms. Yes, we are available on Facebook. Our Facebook page has 50,000 plus likes. So do not forget to like our Facebook page, where we keep posting all our updates regularly. Yes, do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You may also follow us on Instagram. Given here is the Instagram handle where we keep posting all our updates regularly. And as far as our website is concerned, it's www.profoundedutech.com. Yes, sir, dear viewers, thank you once again for watching this video. Hope to see you soon. Till then, please take care, keep safe, and goodbye. Thank you.